we start the clock about now. I'm going to talk to you about, get the mouse to move, selenium. Does anyone use selenium? Yeah? Okay, selenium's used for you guys who haven't. It's used for web-based testing. My background, I'm a software developer, software engineer, degree in computer science, graduated, and I started doing, this is really rude, I started doing manual testing at the defence company I was working at so that you could understand the system you were working on. And for that it was literally manual testing with a test script. And then moved on to other projects, one of which was the Typhoon engineering support system, and we were using Rational Robot, if anyone's heard of that. Yeah, automated testing tool. And I've found that my background in testing has really helped me as a developer. About a year ago I started at a web development company, so I've been trying to integrate some of the UI and sort of high-level testing into the stuff that we've been doing as a team. So this is my little experience. Can anyone else see that now? There we go. So I've been trying to use that in our system. We send... This is going so wrong. I think the battery might have died.
This doesn't count 45 minutes.
Thank you. There you go, anyway. Very quickly about selenium, anyway. You've got two different types of selenium. You've got selenium RC and you've got selenium IDE. The RC stands for remote control, and that's probably better for the programmers out there. And then you've got selenium IDE, which is basically a Firefox plugin. Has anyone used it? Okay, yeah, basically if you open up Firefox, you Google selenium, it will let you download the selenium IDE. It's in your tools. If I had the computer working, I'd be able to show you all this.
My fault, sorry.
Yeah, you go into tools and you go open up selenium IDE, and you can record yourself doing key presses and button presses. You can get it to inspect different elements, exactly the same as if you're using Rational Robot or Test Complete. Does anybody here not know what I'm talking about with automated UI testing tools? That's really, really useful. That's good. Okay, so yeah, exactly the same way, apart from it's all web elements, so you can have certain text on a page, a certain title.
What's that? Is that a pass?
That's what Selenium RC looks like when you pass. So Selenium IDE is really useful for you quickly recording a manual test script, or just manual tests in general. Do you want to try wiggling it?
It's still loading up.
Okay. Yeah, so it's really useful for recording your manual tests very quickly and doing your assertions really easily. What you can then do is convert that into code. So if anybody's got any coding experience, the output of it, I can show you. Okay. So as I said before, if you get Firefox up, basically type in Selenium IDE, click download, and you just download it here. Dead quick, dead simple. To run it, Tools, Selenium IDE. That's all it looks like, really quick, really simple. So this is our software that lets you send lots and lots of text messages, or just one out. So I'm going to get Selenium IDE to just record me sending a text message. How many of time?
We'll give you another couple of minutes due to technical problems.
I'll just do a very, very quick run through. Okay, so we've got this test case. We've got it on record here. You can show your base URL, so this is one you're going to be testing. It's actually echo. And I was going to rename that after when you save it. Just give it a quick name of what you're testing. And when you are writing these tests, it's really, really useful to do very, very small chunks. So literally send a text message. So in this box here, I'm going to type in a phone number. Press enter. And say hi. So you could do things like check. So here we go, we've got some example verifications, assertions here. And if you want more, there's show all available commands in there. And even better, Selenium IDE does things like that for you. Okay? So the recipient's auto box, I should have typed, it should have picked this up, it's JavaScript. Okay? Does that make sense? So click send now. It would have sent a text message to me, which is great. But the great thing is, it's recorded this stuff here. So this command's opening your website, clicking in the box and typing in this, clicking in the body, typing in this. Very simple to read. You could then save that as an individual test, so you can then go through and edit this. Selenium RC, on the other hand, which is remote control, is basically a DLL that you can open up into your preferred language. If any of you guys can do the code, basically it's doing this stuff, but in code. So in .NET, in Java, in Ruby, there's a few other flavours. Again, go onto that website and let you download them. And if you record your tests here in Selenium IDE, you can format them. I think it's because of the mouse.
My fault, sorry.
No, it's me, I can't do this. You can then choose your preferred language, and it'll convert it into a little class for you. What I then like to do, very, very quickly, because there's lightning talking going on now,
We've got 1 more minute.
is these bits here. I like to extract them and turn them into a method, so they've got a name, like a test step name. So another way to do it is to do page objects. So you have an object which would be your home page, and then you do dot open, so you know you're opening the echo page, whatever. Then you want to have another one that says compose page, send, type in recipient, and you put in the recipient's thing. So you can refactor this into each one of these. You can turn it into a method that describes more what it's doing, because this kind of looks like gobbledygook to me. I don't really understand what it's doing. Okay, so that's my very, very quick lightning run through Selenium.